Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to introduce the newest products on my right hand. This is a chest of freezers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. So the entire length of the units will be 82 and 3/4 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like 35 inches. Overall heights, they are about like 34 and 1/4 inches. As we can see, the units, they have a 3 sliding door on top. And when we're looking the front of the units, we can see they have the power switches right here, one for the lights, one for the power, and also have a controller in the middle. You can set in all the temperatures you want. And when we're looking the behind of the units, we will see they have a sanitation stickers. They have a ETL listed and NSF sanitation stickers on it, and cost sheets, and also having the diagram information on it. And the bottoms, the compressor is mounted on the side. We can see all the electricity informations. They're having the 110 plugs, the United Standard 110 plugs. So we can take a look closer to see the inner side dimensions. So as we can see, the units, they have a 3 big sliding door on top. And when we opened it, actually the middle door can open on the both sides. You will see it. So we can see they have a strip in the middle. These metal strips can making the units be stronger because units are too big. Now let me give you the dimensions for the inner side. The inner side, it will be 28.5 inches wide. And the length of the unit is about like 77 inches. And the depth of the units from the bottom edge of the sliding doors, they are about like 27 inches deep. And also we're having a small stage on the side because all the compressor units are mounted at the bottoms. For this stage, it's about like 12 inches deep. And also the units, they're having 2 big LED light strips on the top. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.